Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Madhu Sir, all of you, good morning. My name is Nishita. I am studying UKG in our Sri Gurukulam school. Numbers names ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOU4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVN7, EIJST8, NIND9, TEN10, ELEDN11, TWELVE12, THIRTEN 13 FOURTENP 14 FIRTEN 15 SISTEN 16 SCDEN TEN 17 EIGHT EEN 18 NIND TEEN 19 TWENTY 20